Do you run a mushroom farm? Do you know what task is both the most disliked and exhausting for your operators? Cleaning the shelves between cultivation cycles. It requires hours of labor, maximum attention, and considerable physical effort. And yet, when using a low-pressure hose or a regular pressure cleaner, a risk is always lurking just around the corner. The human eye cannot see everything, and remaining residue on the shelves can cause disease to new crops, jeopardizing the quality of the whole growing cycle and your earnings. That is why the wisest companies in the mushroom sector are adopting a new solution. E-Wash is the world's first machine designed specifically for cleaning rack sides and shelves. It can be used by anyone, effortlessly and completely safely, because it is controlled remotely. All you need to do is place the elevator close to the shelf and hook it to the uprights. Operate the elevator until the highest shelf is reached, and initiate the washing action of the machine, which will go back and forth spraying jets of water in every direction. This will ensure an automatic, thorough and uniform cleaning, and it takes about 50% less time than traditional methods. Once the washing cycle is finished, you don't need to check the cleanliness. Human error is no longer a problem. Moreover, the machine works on shelves made from different materials and of different sizes, has a 1-year warranty, and is low maintenance. E-Wash is a product of Alpi, a company with more than 50 years of experience that designs, manufactures, and sells mushroom farming machinery all over the world. Contact us for a quote.